What's up, y'all? It's your girl NEKA SHELLZ here, and I'm back with another video. In this video, I will be showing you all how I get this ultraviolet color. I got this wig for $88 from AliExpress. The store is called Luvin hair, and I will leave a link to the store and also a link to the hair that I purchased down below. Also, I thought there was a 13 by 6 frontal, like from ear to ear goes 6 inches back, but this only goes 6 inches back in the middle. So continue watching the video. I hope you all like it. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And until next time, my loves, XOXO. Okay, y'all, so this is it. This is the hair after it has been cut and styled. Now, frontals are not my forte. Frontals are not my thing. I'm gonna get it though, maybe one day or year. I'm gonna get it one day though, but this is it. It's cute. I like it. I was scared of it at first. But thank y'all for watching this video, even though my makeup is looking a hot mess. But I just had to make sure I finished this video.